How to sync contacts on Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat, and once you do that, click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're here, you want to scroll all the way down to the account actions section, and from there click on contact syncing. You will land on this page right here, in which you will see the option that says sync contacts at the top, and it says connect your contacts so we can help you find friends on Snapchat. Check the box next to it, and by doing that your contacts will be synced and you will be able to view them with the second option that says view contacts, and you will be able to find them when you want to add them as friends or something like that. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and activate the contact syncing in Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.